Hello friends, welcome to Mifratech eLearning. Project name is AI based smart traffic control system. This is having solar panel, around 7 volt solar panel and 2-lane traffic. Two-lane continuously operating for each 5 seconds. The solar panel charge will be stored in lithium-ion batteries. And this is a set of models, LCD display and Arduino Nano, so which are controlling signals and receiving serial communication from the image processing. So now this is also displaying lane 2 and lane 1 status, whether it is cleared or not. Now let's see the image processing AI part. So this is for files for image processing. We'll open these files. Let's see the working of AI model, image processing part. So we'll run the code of image processing part of code. So you can see here up count, down count vehicles are moving in the lines. So in the lines more vehicle comes, then it shows that the counts are more and traffic will increase. According to that the signals will switch here for few seconds. Even the counts will be showing in shell. So how many counts up count, down count, that means first lane and second lane